Hey guys, Craig here again, Hot Wheels boys. I've got another video. Just a big shout out to Cayos Canyon for sending me these little barrier supports. You can see them. I've already put two on each side there on the track because that just helps. If you've got the American style crash racer set, the cars tend, because of the side barrier here, it's not as high as the Hot Wheels one. As you can see, the Hot Wheels one is real high. So he's come with this ingenious idea. I'll just show it to you guys, where you can actually put a little barrier like a wall on the side of your track. So it slides, if you can see that, on the inside here. I'll just slide it off. Oops, sorry. Slide it for you so you can see. Just slides in and out of the track. So you can put it anywhere, just slides all the way long. Yeah, can go all the way down. Nice and secure on the track. He also sent me some joiners. So the joiner, let's get that one out. Also just slots in on the track. Fantastic design as well. Makes the track sit really flush. I've got one of his joiners just there and another joiner there as well. So yeah, just like to say once again, thanks to Cayos Canyon for sending me these items. Really helped. It's really helped actually. The cars staying better on the track and also made the cars run much smoother. So yeah, till next time guys, keep on Hot Wheeling and keep an eye out. My build is going to be ready, I think, in a few weeks time. Not much left to do now, just to add a bit more of some rock features, I think, and then I'll be good to go. Look out for my Halloween race tournament. Hand of Elimination will be coming up soon, so it's a fantastic one. If you saw it last year, it was really good. I really enjoyed making that. So yeah, till next time guys, keep on Hot Wheeling and we'll see you on the track.